The nice thing about a crisis is it can bring out the best of people, it can bring out the worst of people, but at Ortho, it really did bring out the best. And the team pulled through in a space of just a matter of a few weeks, what would have normally taken a couple of years to do.
I think Ortho was able to answer the call so quickly because we have this deep knowledge and experience in infectious disease. We were able to leverage not only that knowledge and experience, but also several existing tests to build on, materials to build on, experiences to build on, tests and experiments that we've done in the past to be able to make changes to products we already had in the market so that they would test for antibodies to SARS-CoV-2 rather than antibodies to other diseases. That allowed us to bring that test to market very quickly.
We've made a big difference with this for two reasons. One, we were so quick to get it out, but secondly is it's held up as still one of the best antibody tests on the market. And I don't think anybody can beat us for sensitivity and specificity. And that combination with the vitros, the quality of the vitro system and how quick we were able to get it out was just a perfect storm for making a major contribution to this control of this disease.
What we had is experience. Between Paul, Phil, and I, we have probably 120 years of experience between the three of us, and we've talked about. We've never done this before, okay? And the 19 days to do the whole thing, and when it takes usually 19 months just to transfer a product to Pengfroid.
I think we knew that, we had the experience and the technical know-how to really try to bring ourselves together and try to, bring this product out to market.
We were operating on a lot of adrenaline at the time, it felt like. Yeah, it was. You just went. You were going as fast as you could, and you dealt with the problems as they came along.
There's nothing like it, the feedback, the quick feedback that you get that you've done a good job or you haven't. That's kind of unprecedented in this industry. You find out years later, whether or not the choices that you made in the early design phases really were the right ones.
There's no higher than 100%. So, you had a high quality, high performing test. You couldn't ask for anything more at that time. So, from my perspective, it again validated the work that we've done, and not just that we came up with an assay, we came up with a really good assay. And I think that was pretty special.
The ability for us to bring out a test this quickly came from expertise built over decades, right? This is an organization that has a history of firsts, and our ability to immediately spring into action, the incredible scientists that we have on the rolls in Rochester, and the know-how that they could immediately apply was bar none some of the best things I've ever seen in any industry across the world.